Unlock the power of seamless real estate operations by integrating Podio with Batchleads. Your ultimate guide to efficient lead management starts now. First, let's navigate to your Batchleads account. Locate the Integrations section within your settings. You'll find the Podio integration option there. Click on it to begin. Now, on the Podio side, you'll need to authorize Batchleads to connect. This usually involves a simple Allow or Connect button. If you're not already logged into Podio, you'll be prompted to do so first. Once connected, the crucial step is Data field. Mapping this tells Batchleads which information should go to which field in your Podio app. For example, you'll want to map the lead's name in Batchleads to the name field in your Podio contact app. Carefully review each available field and select the corresponding Podio field from the drop-down menu. This ensures your lead data is organized precisely how you need it within Podio. Consider automating your workflow. Batchleads can trigger actions in Podio based on lead activity. For instance, when a new lead is added in Batchleads, you can automatically create a new item in your Podio deal pipeline. To set up automation, go to the Automation section within the Podio integration settings in Batchleads. Choose the trigger event, and then the corresponding action within Podio. This dramatically reduces manual data entry and saves your team valuable time. Finally, test your integration. Add a new lead in Batchleads and verify that the information appears correctly in your designated Podio app. This confirms your setup is working as intended, streamlining your real estate operations for greater efficiency and team collaboration.